You stand up, your knees ache, you groan. The stairs look steeper than yesterday. Most people shrug it off as aging, but your body may be warning you something far more serious. Your muscles are shrinking. Doctors call it just aging. But the truth, there's a name for it: sarcopenia, and it's a fixable condition. A recent study showed seniors who ate Greek yogurt before bed gained muscle while they slept. They got stronger in their sleep. I remember watching my mother struggle to open a jar, her hands trembling, looking defeated. That's when I knew we had to fight back. Most people, even doctors, might say it, that's just part of getting older. They smile, but what they're really saying is, this is your new reality. But what if that's not the full truth? I understand that creeping uncertainty. It's a quiet thief stealing confidence. It's the low hum of fear you might lose independence or become a burden. It's worrying about getting on the floor to play with grandkids, not about getting down, but getting back up without help. Imagine waking up feeling solid, not fragile. Imagine tackling stairs with steady strength. Imagine seeing a strong person in the mirror. This isn't a fantasy, it's a reality within reach, and the tools are likely in your kitchen. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal 7 common, delicious, scientifically validated foods that can halt muscle loss and start rebuilding your strength, confidence, and independence. This isn't a miracle cure, it's about unlocking nutrition's profound power. Understanding our opponent, sarcopenia. Our opponent is sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass, strength, and function. It begins subtly in our 30s and 40s, accelerating after 50 or 60. Think of your muscle health as a bank account. In youth, you make deposits. With sarcopenia, withdrawals exceed deposits and your balance dwindles. This happens due to hormonal changes, decreased physical activity, and anabolic resistance. This means your muscles become less responsive to growth and repair signals. It's like the construction foreman on your muscle-building site is hard of hearing. You send materials, protein, but he doesn't always hear the instructions to build. The good news? Nutrition is our secret weapon. We can give that foreman a megaphone, sending in such high-quality building materials that he can't ignore them. Let's meet our first champion. Food number 1. The protein powerhouse. Greek yogurt. Not the sugary fruit on the bottom kind, but authentic, plain, full-fat, or low-fat. What is it? Gram for gram, it's a potent protein source. A 7-ounce 200-gram container can have 20 to 23 grams of high-quality protein, the equivalent of 3 to 4 eggs. It's made by straining regular yogurt, concentrating the protein. The analogy? Your muscles are a brick wall. Daily living causes some bricks to weather or crack. Protein is the master bricklayer, replacing old bricks with new, strong ones. As we age, the bricklayer takes longer breaks. Without a steady stream of high-quality bricks, protein, the wall weakens. Greek yogurt delivers a whole, motivated crew with premium bricks, ready to work for hours. How it works scientifically. Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly, forming a gel in your stomach. This releases amino acids, muscle-building blocks, steadily into your bloodstream for several hours. This sustained supply is vital for older adults, preventing muscle breakdown, especially overnight. Greek yogurt is also a fantastic source of leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle repair and rebuilding, muscle protein synthesis. A landmark American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study showed seniors who ate protein-rich food like Greek yogurt before bed significantly improved overnight muscle protein synthesis. They repaired and rebuilt muscle while they slept, simply by providing the right fuel at the right time. How to use it? The classic, with berries and nuts in the morning. The savory swap, in place of sour cream on baked potatoes, chili, or tacos. The creamy base, blend into smoothies. The smart dip, mix with herbs for a high-protein vegetable dip. Food number 2, the inflammation fighter, salmon. If Greek yogurt is the bricklayer, this next food is your body's fire department. Salmon is a great protein source, but its superpower is its concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, and vitamin D. Imagine chronic inflammation as a smoldering fire in your body, accelerating muscle breakdown. It's a persistent, smoky fire damaging your muscle brick wall. Omega-3s are the world's best firefighters, dousing the flames and creating a safe environment for rebuilding. How it works scientifically. The anti-inflammatory power of omega-3s, especially EPA, directly interferes with inflammatory pathways, reducing muscle soreness and joint pain. DHA is critical for brain and nerve function, ensuring clear signals to muscles. Vitamin D functions like a steroid hormone, binding to receptors in muscle cells to enhance contraction and strength. Low vitamin D is linked to muscle weakness, dynapenia, and higher fall risk. Salmon provides both the firefighters, omega-3s, and the master architect, vitamin D. How to use it? The gold standard. Aim for 2 4 to 6 ounce servings per week. The budget-friendly Powerhouse. High-quality canned salmon is affordable and nutritious. Mash it with Greek yogurt and celery for a salmon salad. The quick meal. Flake leftover salmon into pasta or scrambled eggs. The underdog. Try canned sardines for omega-3s and calcium. Food number 3. Nature's perfect package. The humble egg. Before we get to how a simple seed helps muscles relax, let's talk about food number 3, the incredible edible egg. For muscle building, the whole egg is nearly nutritional perfection. What is it? A large egg has about 6 grams of the highest biological value protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, in a ratio almost perfectly matched to human needs. Imagine assembling a complex machine, needing 9 specific bolts. Missing one means incomplete assembly. Your muscles are that machine. Essential amino acids are those bolts. An egg delivers the complete, perfectly organized set. How it works scientifically. We used to fear the yolk, but for most, dietary cholesterol has little impact on blood cholesterol. For muscles, the yolk is where the magic happens. It contains half the protein, plus vitamin D and choline, essential for the neurotransmitter that makes muscles contract. Add reliability. University of Illinois researchers found participants who ate whole eggs after a workout had a 40% greater muscle-building response than those who ate just egg whites. The yolk's nutrients create a more potent muscle-building environment. Throwing out the yolk is like discarding valuable tools. How to use it. The classic breakfast. 2 or 3 scrambled, poached, or fried eggs. The portable snack. Hard-boiled eggs in the fridge. The meal enhancer. Chop hard-boiled egg into salads. The quick dinner. A simple vegetable omelet or frittata. Food number 4. The plant-based Powerhouse. Quinoa. Food number 4 shatters the myth that all the best muscle-building protein comes from animal sources. Meet the ancient grain, the king of plant-based muscle food, quinoa. What is it? Quinoa is a seed eaten like a grain. Like eggs, it's a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. It's also rich in fiber and essential minerals, especially magnesium. If fast-acting whey protein is a sprinter and slow-acting casein is a marathon runner, quinoa is the ultimate triathlon athlete. It provides steady, slow-burning fuel, complex carbs, and premium complete building materials, amino acids, for muscle repair. How it works scientifically. Magnesium is an underrated mineral for muscle health, involved in over 300 bodily reactions, including energy production and protein synthesis. For muscles, it's the relaxation mineral. Calcium drives muscle contraction. Magnesium is needed for relaxation. Magnesium deficiency can cause cramps, twitching, and tightness. Quinoa is loaded with magnesium, helping muscles complete their full contraction and relaxation cycle. How to use it. The simple swap. Use anywhere you would use rice or couscous. The super salad. Cooked and cooled quinoa as a hearty salad base. The breakfast boost. Add a scoop of cooked quinoa to oatmeal. The hearty filler. Add to soups, stews, and chilies. Pro tip. Rinse quinoa before cooking to remove bitterness. Food number 5. The muscle protectors. Berries. Next, a food as beautiful as it is powerful. Berries. All of them. What is it? Berries' secret weapon for aging muscles is their immense payload of antioxidants and vitamin C. Their deep colors, blue, red, purple, signal potent plant compounds like polyphenols and anthocyanins. Imagine your body is a new car, and driving it creates rust that weakens the frame. In our bodies, living creates oxidative stress from free radicals, which is like microscopic rust, damaging muscle cells. Antioxidants are the ultimate military-grade rust-proofing service, neutralizing these damaging free radicals on contact, protecting muscle cells. How it works scientifically. Berries' powerful antioxidants reduce inflammation and protect muscle cells from oxidative damage, meaning less soreness and faster recovery. Plus, berries are packed with vitamin C, critical for producing collagen. Collagen is your body's scaffolding, connective tissue, tendons, ligaments. Strong muscles are useless if the scaffolding is weak. Vitamin C is essential for keeping this entire support structure strong. How to use it? The perfect topper. A generous handful on Greek yogurt or oatmeal. The smoothie superstar. Berries are the foundation of any great smoothie. Pro tip: large bags of frozen mixed berries are just as nutritious and affordable. The healthy dessert. A simple bowl of fresh berries after dinner. Food number 6. The Mineral Masters. Nuts and seeds. Our 6th food proves great things come in small packages. Nuts and seeds are incredibly dense sources of healthy fats, plant-based protein, and a cocktail of essential minerals, notably magnesium and zinc. If your muscles are lights in a house, your nerves are the wiring. Magnesium and zinc are the master electricians. Zinc installs and repairs wiring, essential for tissue repair. Magnesium manages electricity flow, acting as an insulator and dimmer switch, preventing power surges, cramps, or flickering lights, twitches, and allowing proper relaxation. It's a critical cofactor in repairing muscle tissue and essential for producing key anabolic hormones, like testosterone, vital for maintaining muscle mass in both men and women. Healthy fats in nuts like walnuts are powerful anti-inflammatories. How to use it? A small, closed handful, about 1 ounce, for a fantastic, satiating afternoon snack. The Salad Crunch. Sprinkle toasted pumpkin seeds or sliced almonds over salads. The Power Mix. Make your own muscle mix with raw almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds. Food number 7. The Blood Flow Boosters. Leafy greens. Finally, food number 7. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, arugula. The darker, the better. These greens have a secret weapon for muscle function: dietary nitrates. Think of your circulatory system as a highway network with red blood cells as delivery trucks carrying oxygen and nutrients. As we age, these highways can narrow and congest, starving muscles, making them weak and fatigued. Dietary nitrates in leafy greens are brilliant traffic engineers. Your body converts them into nitric oxide, which tells blood vessel walls to relax and widen. It's like instantly turning a 2-lane road into a 6-lane superhighway. This improved blood flow, or perfusion, means more oxygen reaches muscles, improving endurance. It also means amino acids from protein are delivered more effectively for muscle repair. A major study from Edith Cowan University in Australia found that people who consistently ate just 1 cup of leafy greens per day had 11% stronger lower limb strength and significantly faster walking speeds. That 11% can be the difference between easily getting out of a chair and struggling, or catching your balance and having a fall. How to use it? The base of every salad. Start your main meal with a simple side salad. The wilt-in. A large handful of spinach wilts down to almost nothing. Stir into scrambled eggs, soups, or stews. The green smoothie. Blend a huge handful of spinach into a fruit smoothie. You won't even taste it. So there you have it. 7 powerful, accessible, and delicious foods. But this isn't just about eating salmon or more spinach. It's about what that food represents. Every time you choose to build a plate with these foods, you're voting for a future of strength and independence. This is about freedom, the profound human dignity of not needing help with little things. It's the sheer joy of being an active, vibrant participant in your own life, not a spectator. Eating these foods isn't a chore. It's a powerful act of defiance. It's you, looking in the mirror and telling your body, "We are a team. We're not done yet." Let's recap our muscle strengthening plate. Greek yogurt for sustained release protein. Salmon to extinguish inflammation and provide vitamin D. Eggs for the complete toolkit of all 9 essential amino acids. Quinoa for plant-based power and the relaxation mineral magnesium. Berries to act as our personal bodyguards, protecting our muscles. Nuts and seeds, to be the master electricians for our nervous system. Leafy greens, to open up the highways and flood our muscles with nutrients. The longest part of any journey is the first step, but you've already taken it by arming yourself with this knowledge. Now, let's turn knowledge into power. I want you to do one small thing. Look at this list of 7 foods. Which one are you going to commit to eating tomorrow? You don't have to start with all 7, just one. By writing it down, you make a powerful promise to yourself. And by sharing it, you might inspire someone else to take their first step. If this information was valuable and gave you hope and a plan, I'd be grateful if you'd hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. It's free, and it ensures you don't miss future videos designed to help you live a stronger, healthier, and more joyfully independent life. Thank you for your valuable time today. Remember, you hold the fork, you hold the power. Go out there and be strong.